This video covers the removal of the Wii U console and hard drive from the Wii U Fun Center. This process takes about 5 to 10 minutes. To complete this process, you will need the Fun Center key and a pair of wire cutters. Make sure the area is clear of obstructions, you can access all needed parts, and the Fun Center is not connected to power. Lock both of the locking casters. Use the key to open both doors on the main cabinet. Unplug all the cables on the back of the Wii U console. Remove the wing nut and console bracket and set aside within the cabinet to reinstall later. Carefully slide the console out of the cabinet. If the hard drive is secured with a zip tie, use the wire cutters to clip the zip tie above the eye of the zip tie. Next, lift and remove the hard drive. Then disconnect the cables from the hard drive. If there was a zip tie, remove the zip tie from the cabinet. Finally, use the Fun Center key to lock both doors to the Fun Center to keep it secure while the console and hard drive are being serviced.